Okay, every technique that we show in this course, you can train by yourself. You even have a saying that I have created based on my experience. In the past I didn't have enough space to train. I had pretty small amount of space for a bigger part of my life, and I was saying, there is a Kung Fu saying, if you can't train Kung Fu in a space where the tiger can lay down, that's not Kung Fu. And based on my experience, I have a saying, I always tell my students, if you can't train in a space where you can fit a chair, that is not SOKO. So with a little bit of space in your home, living room, bedroom, you can do a lot of things. Almost 100% of what we showed you by yourself.